So there's the old Ferguson tractor. As you know, old man Winter's going to be blowing his horn soon, so I've got it all greased up, oiled, fired up, and ready to go. Still runs like a top. It's a 1948, and it's just a remarkable piece of machinery, and it does a great job clearing out my laneway and grading my laneway and all the rest of it. So recently at an auction I was able to pick up an implement for it, and there's so many great things you can get for these vehicles to help you with work. So I'll show you that implement and what the plans are for it. So I picked up this it's WIFO or WIFO, W-I-F-O, 3-point hitch loader, and I got this thing, believe it or not, for 50 bucks at an auction. So I'm going to sandblast it and get it all painted and bring it back to life. It's a very cool implement, and I'm looking forward to using it, because getting a front end loader for a Fergy is a pretty big chore. And so for 50 bucks and some elbow grease, I'll have a rear loader that's going to do a very good job for me. And so this is an upcoming project, and as we progress I'll show you how it goes. I hope I can get more decals for it, but I don't know if the company still has them available. This will sandblast up well, and it's going to paint up good, and by springtime I'll have it on the old Fergy. So, upcoming project.